Alright guys, so today we're back with another video. Well, actually I posted all my videos in the exact same day, so yeah, that's gonna be fun. So now about and learn about. And this video is just another BMG drive video. My first BMG drive video did pretty good. So far it has 5 views. And I like 5 views. I'm happy with 5 views. That makes me happy to know that I actually got 5 views. And so I'm just gonna be doing another BMG video. I'm not good at drifting. Oh, let's get a second. We're nowhere in the driver. And this is how it looks for the driver. This thing is not a manual. It's actually pristinely not manual. It's automatic. Ah, freak. Really, bro? You're just trying to jump off the bridge like that? Don't worry, I'll help you out, buddy. Man, freaky. How'd y'all lock that? Huh? Skibit. I almost said skibidi. Remember, kids, skibidi is bad. Let's go to semi trucks. No telling my friend, get up. Let's see. There's a lot of semi trucks. I'm a truck driver. I'm a Dave. Alright. Billy, what's my schedule again? Okay. See, Billy, okay, yeah, that's my bid right there, Billy. Yes, sir, yes, sir. We gotta get this truckload over there. Wait, I forgot I'm literally not even hauling anything. Literally just driving for fun. Oh no. Man, will you shut your stupid. I'm really good with stick drift. Okay, now turn that off, turn that off, turn that off. See what the damage is. Billy, I'll just teleport myself away. So where's the truckload? It's somewhere right out here, you say, Billy. Billy is got $300 million milliliters of water in this bag. Please you should talk to me. Now I know what's real and what's his fake. Get up! What will you on truck drive, boys? Oh yeah. Man, what is wrong with me? Billy, I forgot there was no traffic. Looks like today's gonna be beautiful. We're gonna get the truckload out and we're gonna get out. Okay? Yes, sir. Get up! I'm just acting like I'm doing stuff. That's fun. Bro, how do I keep... I need to remember to press that spawn new button, bro. Yes, spawn new. I'm a truck driver, Billy. I do this. Duh. You better lower that little truckload before I breaks it. They used to talk it. Okay, Billy. We need to figure out why this thing ain't loading up the truck. Boy, why don't you shut up? What you talking me about? Shut up, I said. I'll kill you if you ever tell me that again, boy. Now, what you say me is what you say everybody, boy. You know how ain't all that get at. Y'all, I'm a truck driver, so like I gotta do my job, you know, like for my family and stuff. Man, I'm done with being a truck driver. Where's my car at? I got enough money for it. Yeah, crew, could you come bring it in real quick? Place it right beside my truck. Thank you. That was fun. Oh, what is that? Freak. Billy! I thought I told you my schedule. That was the Billy and Truck Driver special. See y'all next time in another video. Goodbye. I'm just playing. You just gotta hold your mouse down until you accidentally grab something. See? Yeah, we're just gonna throw it back into the city. Hopefully. What if it's around Hill City? Yeah. God. I'll fix it right up though. Oh yeah. Wait a minute. Guys, I'm the strongest man alive. National David guy. And we're gonna pull this. Yeah. So you're moving a little bit. So we're gonna pull it. And I'm the strongest man alive, and I'm gonna make sure it pulls. What? That'll work. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, I think I might end this beamng video right here, so yeah. Anyways, goodbye. Allie's inside, make another video.